What is up, lab members and Steins Gate fans? Here's your one here, and today we have something really interesting to show you guys. So maybe you've seen the lot unboxing where I unboxed a big package filled with science adventure stuff. Now some of those things I want to make their own little videos of. They don't have to be long, but I want to show them a bit more in depth. One of the things you might have seen on that video is this. Obviously you've seen the thumbnail, so you know what it is, but it's a really interesting package, and inside of that was a cardboard triangle. Now inside of that is something else. So I push that out, and if I undo the bubble wrapping, you'll see a red Oopa. Now this isn't just any Oopa, it's part of a collection, and it's part of the Gashapon collection. So when they released Steins Gate, they had, obviously in the Steins Gate universe, Oopa is a very known character, and you can get different ones from the Gashapons, and that's where you also could get the Metal Oopa. Now this is one of those. You could put 300 yen in it, as you can see. You can get a random one. Now this is from the second series, because they did two. You can see this where it says the big two. It's number 2. Oopa Collection 2, or Oopa Correction, I suppose. So I have a few of these, and they're really quite cool. So they are made from a light plastic material, and here is, oh, that's kind of scary. Might want to move. Right, so one of the scariest things about these Oopas is that the I think when you get them, you have to attach the legs themselves or something, because as you can see, this one's a bit out of place, and the legs are very fragile. They break off often. For example, this one I grabbed these to show you guys later. I dropped it and it broke 2 legs that I just glued on today. So I may break that in this video. But let's have a look at this Oopa. It is red in color, and its tail is outwards. That's always a fun thing to look at, because usually it's either in up or outwards. Now it's just a regular Oopa with a few paint details on there, obviously. Let me try to see if I can move this, otherwise I might just break it. Or I might leave it how it is. Yeah, I'm not going to touch that. That's just scary. It is a bit wobbly because of that, though. Either way, there's a manual in it with which ones you can get, and from the previous ones I also had the capsule. So this is what I think the capsule looks like where you got them from. At least is how I got my other ones. I might have gotten these just for easier shipment, but I think these are original too, so it's kind of cool. And I'll show you the other ones soon. But this is obviously from the second collection, so from the second wave of colors. Now, if we're going to look at the first wave real quick, I have 2 of those. Now, that was really cool, because you could get, I got these 2 over here. I'm going to put them, as you can see, orange and yellow. I'm going to put them over here. And you could get 6 of them. A pink, yellow, blue, green, orange, or the metal one. As you can see, it doesn't say Oopa Collection 2, so this is the first run. And in the visual novel, if you change the timeline so that Mighty doesn't get the Metal Oopa, I think she gets the green one. Either way, like I said, they released the second collection. It's a bit messed up, but it will go. Also with another 6. Now these are really cool. So the first one is the regular Oopa color. So the same color as that one. The Oopa in which it appears in, I suppose, the anime or wherever it's from. The second one kind of looks like a panda. It actually says as well, Oopa Panda. The third one is black. Black Oopa. And then we have Purple Oopa, Red Oopa. And then we have Blue Oopa, second edition version 2.31. And as you can see, there was already a blue one, but a light blue. And the secret, which I don't know if that is a golden Oopa or, again, metal Oopa. Not very sure. And you can see 2009, 2012 5PB Nitro Plus. Quick comparison to if you have any Upas that you're familiar with yourself. I think the most common ones are these two. So quick comparison to this one. And a quick comparison to the Fairy Upa. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And obviously you'll see it when I get more. I think this thing moved even more. I'll have to move this myself. It's too scary though. My god. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Psy, a Kungalow.